When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's dinner party tonight. We're gonna make pizza. You've ordered so many pizzas, why not make a pizza? So we're gonna make pizza. It's pizza time. Pizza! I don't wanna make the crust. Okay, don't buy pre-made flat crusts. That you don't need to do. However, just like wonton wrappers or dumpling wrappers, just like puff pastry, pizza dough isn't that skilled. It doesn't mean you shouldn't make it once or twice in your life, but you don't have to make it. And the good part about that is that you can go to your, which a lot of people don't know, is you can go to your pizzeria and say, may I have some pizza dough? And they'll have it and they'll give it to you. But this is just from the pizzeria, and it's fabulous. So we're gonna make pizza, a beautiful vegetarian pizza with homemade tomato sauce and mozzarella and basil at the end. The one thing you should know in advance, it's a little time sensitive, meaning like puff pastry, this gets sticky, okay? So what you wanna do is have everything ready before you roll it out. And I'm just gonna quickly cut the mozzarella, sort of in blobs, right? So that I don't have any waiting time. I'm using a pizza stone, which is essentially a ceramic tile. If you don't have a pizza stone, you might be able to find a ceramic tile. It just has to be thick enough not to explode in your oven. The other thing is heat it up slowly. Don't put your pizza stone in the hot oven because it could crack. And you wanna heat your oven pretty much as hot as it can go. Mine's at 500 convection, cooks fast. So this is cut, we have our sauce ready. This is the same sauce that we used in lasagna. It's quite thick. I did add a little extra tomato paste. Let's roll out our pizza. I'm using this because I don't have a big metal or wooden thing. You want it to do that, like you see in the movies, okay? So as we're rolling this out, you want to kind of make sure that it still does that. Use your rolling pin, which you have never washed because you're a dinner partier. So I'm going to do it kind of with one hand. Turn. Turn. It's still moving very nicely. Okay, it's getting a teeny bit sticky. I'm not going to overdo this. I'm just going to put a little tiny bit. I'm going to pull it out into a little sort of flatbready country style shape. Just going to make sure it's going to move into the oven by doing this. Okay. Kind of put it near the edge. Gorgeous and cute. Oh shoot, it's pizza. Here we go. And I'm gonna just dot these on like this. Okay. I'm gonna put a little pepper, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Here we go. Going in the oven on the pizza stone. Hey! All right, we're gonna leave that until it looks like pizza. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Looks ready to me. So you wanna kind of get this underneath and kind of go like that. Oh, you see how jiggly it is? It's jingling, baby. Go ahead, baby. It's jingling, see? You want it to set a little bit. We're gonna just tear up some basil and kind of throw it on there. Tearing up the basil, throwing it on there. What's the best pizza in New York? Well, that's a big question. Personally, I like Joe's on 6th Avenue. Very thin crust, and it's pretty simple and great. You know, if you look around, Vegas being a great example, there are like strip mall restaurants in Las Vegas that are world famous. So be adventurous. You know, the mom and pop place in Penn Station might be really, really good. The lady who sells the empanadas is not screwing around. So try making your own pizza. It's really not that hard. You can make friends with your pizzeria guy by asking him for the dough, and then you can do it with kids and play around and have fun. You can put pepperoni on it, obviously, mushrooms, whatever you want, sausage. Make your own pizza. It certainly beats a non-pizza.
No, but you just did it.
That doesn't, I can tell just from holding it that that's not going to make it do its thing.
But this is good for like maybe.